Hi there, and welcome to another Sound Particles video. Today, I'll be showing you how to create an immersive forest soundscape using Sound Particles 3 under 5 minutes. Let's go! Let's start from scratch with an empty session. I'll begin by adding a particle emitter for the birds. I already have here a few bird sounds ready, so I'll just drag and drop them into the particle emitter. To give the scene a bit more time to breathe, I'll increase the duration to 40 seconds. Let's have a listen. To make it feel even more natural, I'll use the granular synthesis to play only short snippets of each file. Let's set the granular time between 3 and 4 seconds. Okay, next, I'll adjust the dispersion area. I'll change it to circle and with a radius of 500 meters. This spreads the birds across a wider space, giving us a more realistic sound field. Now, let's add the sound of forest leaves rustling. I'll create another particle group and use the built-in explorer to find a suitable leaf sound. Let's type leaf and browse the vegetation category. This one here sounds just right. Not too short, not too long. So I'll import it. I'll increase both the main radius and section radius, so the sounds are scattered across the forest. It still sounds a bit too repetitive, as the particles are triggering the same sound all at the same time. So let's fix that by applying a granular synthesis again. This time at 4 seconds. It made the track very short, with only 4 seconds on the granular. So now, to make the spawning feel more organic, I'll add a random delay of 30 seconds. I will also add the audio modifier of random pitch, with a range of more or less 4 semitones. Lastly, I want to give the particles some motion, just like in real life. Let's add the rotation velocity at 60 degrees per second. Now it really feels alive. Time to add some wildlife to the mix. I'll drop in a few animal sounds. A gorilla, an elephant, bison, wolf, puma, and some coyotes. Now, I'll spread them through the scene. With our ambient sound in place, I'm going to build a quick story around the scene to add some action. I'll fast forward this part. Alright, I've created a short scene where the main character is being chased by a swarm of bees and ends up diving into a waterfall. To bring it to life, I animated the microphone to follow the character's movement, giving you the sound perspective from his point of view. I also added footsteps and breathing to match the running action, enhancing the sense of urgency, and included a splash sound for when he jumps into the water. For the waterfall, I used our air plugin and automated the distance parameter to make the character's approach feel more natural and immersive. Let's take a listen. And that's it. As you can see, Sound Particles 3 makes it incredibly easy and intuitive to create immersive soundscapes. Try it for yourself with our 30-day free trial at soundparticles.com. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.